This is where the real work gets done, in the planet's harshest environments. When a machine goes down, every minute equates to lost revenue. Introducing the new GCI series injector platform from Graco. Designed for greater durability, greater output, and easier installation and maintenance, Graco's new GCI injectors will save your operation time and money through the full life cycle of your critical equipment. GCI injectors are versatile. Despite the small footprint, they deliver up to double the output of legacy injectors in its class, reducing the need for cross-porting multiple injectors together for high-demand lube points. GCI injectors are tough. They'll outlast current injectors more than 2 to 1, keeping your machines operating and more profits in your pocket. And when service is required, Graco GCI cartridge injectors can be replaced in 1 minute or less, compared to 15 to 20 minutes per injector with legacy injectors. Replacing a cartridge is so simple it can even be completed by machine operators in the field, further reducing downtime. The revolutionary new Graco GCI injector ushers in a new era of automatic lubrication system technology, increasing uptime and saving you money. Protect your investment, protect your revenue stream. GCI series injectors from Graco.